Welcome to an enlightening journey of natural wellness and discovery. Today we are unveiling a hidden treasure in your kitchen that can potentially revolutionize your health. Imagine lowering your creatinine levels, a crucial indicator of kidney health, not with harsh medications, but with something as simple and delightful as spices. Intrigued? You should be. These 6 spices will help lower your creatinine levels naturally. This isn't just a video, it's a gateway to a healthier you. With each spice we reveal, you'll be amazed at how everyday ingredients can significantly impact your well-being. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to improve your kidney health naturally, this video is a must-watch. Stay tuned as we unveil these 6 miraculous spices, backed by science, easy to find, and delicious to taste. Your journey towards better kidney health begins now. 1. Ginger. Did you know that the humble ginger in your kitchen does more than soothe stomachs and alleviate nausea? It's a treasure trove of health benefits, steeped in a tradition of alternative medicine. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and pain-relieving properties, is like a gentle hug for your body. It can ease osteoarthritis symptoms, regulate blood sugar, and even boost heart health. For those with kidney issues, ginger is particularly precious. High blood sugar and heart problems often lead to kidney damage, but ginger can help improve your kidney function. Research has shown its therapeutic effects on kidney disease patients. When sourcing ginger, look for roots with shiny, taut skin. They should be thin, not thick and fibrous to ensure the best quality. Incorporating ginger into your diet is as delightful as it is beneficial. Add a zing to poultry and fish marinades, spice up fruit salads, or brew a simple, soothing tea. However, if you have kidney disease, always consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Safety first, always. Ginger's benefits extend beyond kidney health. It has been found to significantly reduce muscle pain and soreness, often associated with exercise-induced muscle damage. Moreover, its bioactive compounds, particularly gingerol, are known to combat chronic indigestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for those with persistent digestive issues. Interestingly, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful natural remedy for reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancers. Studies have shown that ginger extract can reduce the growth of many different types of cancer cells, making it a potent addition to your diet for overall health maintenance. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. 2. Cinnamon. Imagine the warm, comforting aroma of cinnamon in baked goods, a scent that brings back fond memories. But cinnamon is more than just a nostalgic spice. It's a little warrior in your spice rack. This delightful spice boasts fat-fighting antioxidants and inflammation-busting powers. It's known to help keep cholesterol and triglycerides in check. The real magic of cinnamon lies in its ability to manage blood sugar levels. Recent studies have highlighted how cinnamon can be a game-changer for blood sugar regulation. It works by slowing down carbohydrate breakdown in our digestive system and boosting insulin sensitivity. For those managing diabetes, cinnamon is a little miracle, potentially reducing fasting blood sugars by 10 to 29%. Managing diabetes is key to protecting your kidneys, and with cinnamon, this journey can be delicious too. Add it to smoothies, stewed fruits like rhubarb and apples, or even a turmeric latte. In addition to its blood sugar regulating benefits, cinnamon has been shown to have a positive impact on neurological health. Studies suggest that cinnamon may improve brain function, enhancing cognitive processing, and offering protective benefits against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cinnamon's powerful antioxidants like polyphenols help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, promoting better mental health. Furthermore, cinnamon's antibacterial and antifungal properties can help in preventing infections, which is particularly useful for maintaining overall body health, including kidney function. Regular consumption of cinnamon can also aid in weight management by enhancing the metabolic rate, thus contributing to a healthier lifestyle overall. Before we continue, I'd like to invite you to join our community of health enthusiasts. If you find these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from these natural health tips. Together, we can embark on a journey towards better health and well-being. Now let's dive back into the world of spices and uncover more secrets for enhancing kidney health. 3. Rosemary. Rosemary, a fragrant herb cherished in culinary traditions, is more than just an aromatic addition to our dishes. It's a potent ally for kidney health. Central to rosemary's health benefits is rosmarinic acid, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These characteristics are particularly beneficial for kidney health. Inflammation and oxidative stress are key contributors to kidney damage, and rosmarinic acid's ability to combat these issues makes rosemary noteworthy. While direct evidence of rosemary specifically reducing creatinine levels is limited, its overall impact on kidney health is supported by various studies. Research indicates that rosmarinic acid can manage diabetic kidney disease and slow the progression of autoimmune kidney disorders. Incorporating rosemary into your diet is easy. It pairs beautifully with oily fish, poultry, soups, grains, mushrooms, onions, and peas. Try a kidney-friendly chicken and bell pepper skillet, a wholesome mix of low-phosphorus ingredients. Rosemary also boasts cognitive benefits, potentially enhancing memory and concentration. Studies have shown that the aroma of rosemary can improve cognitive performance and mood. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties make it an excellent choice for preserving food, offering a natural way to extend the shelf life of various dishes. Rosemary can also improve digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal issues such as bloating and indigestion. Its carnosic acid content protects the brain from damage caused by free radicals, further underlining its role in promoting overall brain health. Moreover, rosemary's ability to boost the immune system, thanks to its rich content of vitamins and minerals, makes it a versatile herb that supports general well-being. 4. Oregano. Oregano, a humble herb commonly found in spice racks, holds a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for kidney health. Renowned for its high vitamin K content, oregano supports bone and blood health. But its potential in influencing kidney function and creatinine levels is where it truly stands out. Rich in antioxidants, oregano combats harmful free radicals that can contribute to chronic diseases affecting the kidneys. Its potent antibacterial properties inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli, which is crucial for kidney health. Oregano's versatility in the kitchen is amazing. Sprinkle it on garlic bread, mix it with garlic powder for pasta, or toss whole leaves into salads. It can transform a simple pesto or salad dressing, elevate meat dishes, and add a kick to homemade sauces. Beyond its kidney health benefits, oregano is a powerhouse for respiratory health, providing relief from symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory issues due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also aids in digestion, reducing symptoms of bloating, indigestion, and heartburn. Oregano oil, in particular, has been studied for its powerful anti-parasitic properties, making it effective against various infections. The herb is also rich in calcium, iron, and manganese, essential minerals that support bone health and metabolism. Including oregano in your diet can thus contribute to a more robust immune system and overall improved health. 5. Parsley. Often seen as just a garnish, parsley is a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for kidney health. Celebrated for its detoxifying effects, parsley acts as a natural diuretic, helping to increase urine output and aid in the removal of excess fluid and potentially harmful substances, including creatinine. This process is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Parsley is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties. Research into parsley's impact on kidney health has shown promising results, suggesting it may help prevent kidney stone formation. A significant benefit considering stones can impair kidney function. Incorporate parsley into your diet as a fresh garnish on pasta, soups, chopped into salads, or blended into smoothies for a flavor boost. Parsley's benefits extend to heart health as well, helping to regulate blood pressure due to its high content of nitrates. It also contains compounds that may aid in reducing the risk of cancer, particularly breast cancer, by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, parsley is an excellent source of vitamin K, crucial for bone health, and vitamin A, which supports eye health and vision. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and alleviate symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Parsley also supports skin health, promoting a clear complexion and aiding in the healing of wounds due to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content. 6. Garlic. Garlic, a simple kitchen staple, is renowned for its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, but its role in supporting kidney function is particularly noteworthy. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have beneficial effects on the kidneys. Studies indicate that garlic's antioxidant properties can reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, a major contributor to kidney damage. Research suggests garlic may protect against kidney damage, especially in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Its antimicrobial properties help prevent infections that may complicate kidney health, and its potential role in blood pressure regulation is beneficial since hypertension is a known risk factor for kidney disease. Transform your pasta, rice, or cooked vegetables with crushed garlic, or try a healthier twist on garlic bread by blending olive oil with fresh garlic. In addition to its kidney health benefits, garlic supports cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, a critical factor in maintaining kidney health. Garlic also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Its immune-boosting effects are well documented, making it a valuable addition to your diet during cold and flu season. Furthermore, garlic's detoxifying properties aid in the removal of toxins from the body, supporting liver function and overall health. Including garlic in your diet can thus enhance your body's natural defenses and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. As we wrap up our flavorful journey through these 6 incredible spices, remember that your kitchen is a treasure trove of health. Each spice, from ginger to garlic, offers unique benefits for reducing creatinine levels and boosting kidney function. Now, I'm curious, have you used any of these spices in your diet? Which one will you try first? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's continue this journey of health and flavor together. Before we part, don't forget to join our community of health enthusiasts. If you find these insights valuable, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these natural health tips. Together, we can embark on a journey towards better health and well-being. Your journey towards better kidney health begins now. With these 6 spices, you can make simple yet powerful changes to your diet that can have a profound impact on your overall health. So, why wait? Start incorporating these spices into your meals today and take a proactive step towards a healthier you. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment great to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free, in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you.